Today we're going to talk about finding the surface area of pyramids. This section of our chapter is going to be 8.3 surface area of pyramids. Okay, first, today we have reviewed already some important characteristics about the different kinds of pyramids that we will be working with. Okay, we have two different kinds of pyramids. One is going to be a rectangular pyramid. Okay, a rectangular pyramid is going to have four sides. Okay, a rectangular pyramid would have four sides, where a triangular pyramid would only have three sides. Okay, so today our focus is going to be finding the surface area of pyramids using nets. So we have worked on drawing nets of our different shapes. So remember, the names of our pyramids come from the name of the shape of their base. So this one is a rectangular pyramid because the base is a rectangle. So my base in the middle of my shape of my net is going to be some kind of a rectangle or a square with triangles on all sides. Right now we're going to focus on they will just be equilateral triangles on each side. Okay, our triangular prism will be different because our base, it's called a triangular prism because our base is a triangle, not a square or a rectangle. So we're going to have a triangle in the middle with also triangles off of each side. So we're going to label these. So this will be our rectangular pyramid, and this is our triangular pyramid. So let's identify a few important characteristics here. I'm going to switch colors. A few important characteristics. A rectangular pyramid, we know that we have one rectangle that we need to find the answer to. We also know that we have 4 lateral faces, okay, one for each side of our base. So that means that we have 4 triangles that we need to find the area of. Okay, whereas on a triangular pyramid, we have our triangular base, and we have also 3 lateral faces that are all triangles. So we will only have 4 triangular faces that we need to find the surface area of. Okay, so let's try a couple here. I'm going to give you the value of the base, and I'm also going to give you the height of, let's just use these examples here. So let's say that the base of our rectangle, let's just make this one a perfect square. So let's say that all the sides are 6. Okay, so each side of my base is 6. So this would be 6, this would be 6. Okay, my height of my triangle, each of my triangles, let's say, is 4. Okay, so my height here from top to bottom would be 4. All right, so we need to find my rectangular base. So we know that the area formula for a rectangle is length times width. So we can plug in our numbers. 6 times 6 is just going to give us 36. And we need 4 triangles that are all identical in this case because it is an equilateral triangle and we are working with a square. Okay, so all of our triangles are the same. We have a base times height divided by 2. So my base is 6, my height is 4 divided by 2. So I get 24 divided by 2, which is 12. But I have how many faces? 4. So I need to multiply by 4, which gives me 48. So now I need to add the area of my base and the area of my 4 triangles. Okay, so 36 plus 48 gives us 8 plus 6 is 14. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So 8 units still squared because we are talking about surface area, not volume. Okay, so now let's find the surface area of our triangular pyramid. So now we know that we only need to find the area of my base triangle as well as my 4 lateral faces. Be careful because they might be different sizes. Let's try one that has different sizes. Okay, so let's say that the base is an equilateral triangle. So this one has a let's make it a little bit more tricky. Okay, let's turn this into a different triangle that is not equilateral. So let's make one base, or one side will be 6. Oh, it's fine. We'll just make it an equilateral triangle. Okay, one side is 6 and my height is going to be 7. Okay, and then on my, so that means that each of my sides of my triangle are all 6, but my other triangles, okay, my height is only going to be 3 on all of these triangles. Okay, so my base, first I need to find my base triangle. Okay, my base triangle, base times height divided by 2. Okay, so 6 times 7 is 42 divided by 2. So my base equals 42 divided by 2 is 21. And then I need my 3 lateral faces. Let's just call those 3 LF. Okay, my 3 lateral faces. My base is 6, my height is 3. So 6 times 3 is 18 divided by 2. So my 3 lateral faces all equal 9. Okay, but I have 3 of them. Okay, so 3 times 9 equals 27. So now I need to add 27 and 21 to find the surface area of the entire shape. Okay, so 27 plus 21, we get 8. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 48 units squared. Okay, I am going to leave you with a question on the board. You need to practice finding the surface area of that pyramid and then come check it off with me. Good luck.